Welcome to the AI for Graphic Designers training series. In this session we will explore how to create an illustration in Adobe Illustrator. In contextual menu bar, click Generate Vectors. It will open Generate Vectors window. In prompt section, add detailed description of the illustration. It can include elements of the scene, character poses, lighting, camera shot. If it is difficult to write such detailed prompt, then take the help of ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to write prompt for particular concept and then simply copy-paste the prompt here. Select the content type as scene. Scene generates a complete vector scene, typically containing a background and various elements that compose a setting or environment. Subject generates a single detailed vector element without a background. Select the details as maximum. To set the colors for the illustration, select the color presets. However, colors can also be changed later. Now let's create scene of metro station. For that, add prompt as metro station scene. You can also write more details in the prompt. I am keeping only minimum text for this example. Select the effects as per your requirement. Click Generate button. AI has wonderfully created illustrations based on the text prompt. It has all the details required to depict the scene of metro station. To view various options created by AI, go to Window menu and click Generate Vectors window. This type of illustrations can be used as backgrounds for animation and marketing videos. Each illustration is made of vector shapes. It means it is fully editable in Illustrator. Additional elements can be added and unwanted elements can be removed easily. This is the way illustration can be created in Adobe Illustrator quickly. Thanks for watching.